Good morning. I feel like I'm luxury glamping. I found this bar heater to warm me up and there's a kettle in the kitchen, so I've got my coffee on. I have to get used to this cold. I am going to be camping in a couple of nights, I think. Well, that was a very welcome and warm stay in the end at the Serdivan Bike House. And now I have to go and find my host at his restaurant to drop the key off, where I think I'm going to be shouted breakfast. Yum! Pretty happy with this tailwind. It's another day of highway ahead, but the sun's sort of out, so life is good. Bit of roadside snow. Haven't really started climbing yet, but it's coming. Got a bit of time on my hands today, so I thought I'd run you through the upgrades and maintenance I had done over winter. New set of handlebars because the previous one had become worn here and they've been bent a couple of times. A new mount for the handlebar bag. Then I've got two new fenders. They come in a pair, but I'd only broken the front one, so they've both been replaced. Two new buckle cages. The roll-off cables have been replaced because they'd worn away, the plastic had come off. And yes, the bike's really dirty right now. The roads are so dusty. The magical roll-off box, he did something with that. I'm not completely sure what he did. And at the back here, the attachments for the light had become broken, so he has fixed that. So I have rear light again. The belt is continuing beautifully. The famous saddle is a lot comfier than it looks. So all up, really comfy ride. Oh yeah, and a new roll-off shifter because in 60,000 kilometers I'd worn these grooves away to absolutely nothing. So when I changed gear with wet gloves, then it was a bit slippery. I'm into the town of Düzce. There's some pretty intimidating mountains ahead, but that is a problem for another day. Eline sağlık.
Afiyet olsun.
Teşekkürler. In the evening, my host Fatma invited me to her daughter's school presentation on the subject of Gallipoli here.